Going for my nature walk today, people. This is my kind of life. Nothing but bush, trees, not bush, trees. And I found this spot where people are actually doing some farming. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. There are a lot of farmland here in Canada. The only thing about it is because, we have so much months of winter. So you just have this limited time to work with. Look at this grass growing wild. OMG. Oh my goodness. Pure bush. This is nice. Just taking a peek, people. This is private property. I'm not going to venture in too far. Just looking. Listen, even these plants that are growing wild are so lovely. This is a part of Canada I love. Spring and summer and fall. Listen, Canada is vast. If I take a trip to Jamaica, it takes me 4.5 hours tops flight. And I think to Quebec it's the same. And there are other places in Canada, of course, will be 5-6 hours or more flight. Check this out. This is gorgeous. I kind of learned my lesson last time. I tried breaking some flowers and I had thorns in my finger and I had an infection in my nail because of that thorn that went in. So nowadays, if I'm not sure about the plant, I don't like touching it with my bare hands. This is beautiful. Oh my, they look like butterflies. Anyway. This is what I want all year round. Just to be able to go on these nature walks. Today's a beautiful day for it. It's nice and cool. Not too hot. Not too cold. This sort of reminds me of Jamaica for some strange reason. Just thought I'd take you along with me on my walk this morning. Not really in the mood to do a whole bunch of talking. met up with my husband, I strayed off to go look at some plants. This is how we're compatible. We love nature, like to be out here on the farm, just dreaming about the things that we want to see on our own farm. Out here, my partner's in his element. It reminds me of Jamaica, this part. Mm-hmm. Okay. Right. 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 Listen, people. It's so peaceful right here. I don't want to leave. This video is for nature lovers, okay? On the channel. You know, everybody has to get a little something. And so this one is for you. I'm going to have to get my daughter to edit this and add some music. Oh my. Can someone get so excited about flowers and birds and bud, new buds and birds? Oh my gosh, I love the sound. Hear the sound? Chirping.